Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a really quick Walmart haul. Don't have a lot, but I do have a few things I want to show you. I say it's going to be quick. In my mind it's going to be a quick video, but you all know how I am. I like to talk. Listen to me now. But I'm going to try and make it really quick. But I picked up a few things for summer, for myself. I also got the girls a bunch of stuff too, but they've done worn theirs, got it filthy, blah blah blah. So we'll just cover my stuff that I picked up. But anyway, if you're interested in seeing what I picked up from Walmart, keep watching. Okay, you guys, this is some stuff that I picked up when I was grocery shopping. And you know me, I'm gonna look through the women's stuff because it's right there across from grocery. But I'm gonna just jump right in it. First off, I grabbed another pair of these. I got these in the gray. I like these to wear when I'm outside. Go to the mailbox, run to the car, working in the yard. They're like a rubber, and you just wipe them down, clean them up. Now, after a lot of wear, I noticed the girls' theirs will rip. So I'm hoping mine don't, because I'm not as hard on shoes as they are. But I think they're like $6.96, and they're super comfortable, and they're just cheap to wear around and not tear up your good shoes when you're outside. What else I get? I got two of these. I got one in the large and one in the extra large. The extra large one is the one that I wear outside to work in the yard, because it's just, it hangs on me. It's not tight. It's not sticking to me. It's not making me like sweat because it's stuck to me, you know what I'm saying? But they're from Time and True, and it's just a really comfy tank top. It is cotton, modal, and spandex, so you know it's really super comfortable. I mean, look at this. You can just, really soft. It's like butter. And then I got it in white because they're on sale for $3.50. So I got a white one. And my favorite tank tops are like the ones that have this U-neck in the front and the back. That way your back gets sun too. Then of course I got it in a large for like if I'm going somewhere. I can wear it with shorts, a pair of denim shorts. And then I got it in this color. This is kind of like a mauvey pink. I don't know. It's just a really light pink, I guess. But they're scoop necks. Now it says they're fitted, and that's why I got that one in extra large, because I wanted it to wear outside. Okay, I got these. These are Athletic Works, and I thought those would be really cute to wear in the yard. They actually have pockets too, but to wear when I go on my walks, because I still like to walk up and down the drive over here at my in-laws. And you know, before it was just like in my backyard, but now I just have to go across the field and I can walk up and down it. And I was going to go for a walk today, but then I keep thinking about that bear. And what am I going to do if I'm walking up and down this big long gravel drive in the middle of a field and the bear comes out? You know what I'm saying? Because I would probably flip my shit. Because do you run from a bear? Or do they say not to? I can't remember. I'm pretty sure if I run from the bear, it's going to catch me. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. I can't climb a tree because they climb trees. But anyway, y'all, these are like really comfortable. I was shocked how comfortable these were. So, I went back and I got them in black. They have lots of different colors. I really wanted the navy ones, but they're like sold out of all of them. So I have gray and black. Y'all, this is going pretty quick. Okay, I got a tanning mitt because Walmart don't usually have these. They're like, they're self-tanning supplies. As soon as they come out at my store, they sell out. It's like crazy. But this is what it looks like. I don't want tan on my hands. And then you can feel it's really soft. It's like, it says velvety soft, and it is. So I got that. I had to grab me another bottle of the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe because, y'all, I love this stuff. I'm telling you, when you wash your hair, as soon as it's dry, whether you blow dry it, dries on its own, whatever. I mean, right after it dries, put dry shampoo in your hair. Because look at the body my hair has. And I washed it yesterday. I blow dried it. And then I just left the red out of it. Yeah, my face is itching because I got sunburnt yesterday. And it's about to drive me crazy. And I have a really like a water moisturizer on my face to make it quit burning. Even my lips are burnt. Like, yeah, it hurts. Where else did I get burnt? Look at that. Yeah, summertime. It's supposed to rain, and it looks like it's going to. Okay, I got some headbands. These did not come as a set. I just threw them together, but they were $4.88 a piece. They're from Time and True. Can you see that? I'm in front of the window, but can you see? Using it as my light. There you go. Time and True. $4.88. But I ripped the other one when I opened it. How? We'll just take them out. But this one, it's almost, from a distance, it looks like, I don't know, leopard print, whatever. But it's not. And then this one. Oh, I love this one. But I got these just to put my hair back with. Boom. And then, if y'all remember me talking that I lost my scrunchies, and I still do not know where they're at. Like, I had them in the bathroom, and then I put them somewhere about 2 weeks ago. And I don't know what the hell I did with them, y'all. Like, I seriously don't know what I did with them. And I still cannot find them. I have been all over this house. And they're somewhere, like right in front of me, but I don't know where. So, if you go to the jewelry department, they got the good scrunchies. So these, $4.88. And it comes with 5. I mean, these are those really soft ones. And they're, I don't know, I love them. When I put my hair up on top of my head, I like to put a scrunchie on it to make my bun a little bit taller. And then I got this one because it's just neutral colors: beige, white, green, peach. That's it. This is like a peach. Like a light peachy pink color. You know what I'm saying? See how they match? Just about. How's that for a quick Walmart haul? Because that was my Walmart haul. Okay, then on my way home from Walmart, I stopped at the dollar store because I forgot to get a dry erase marker. If you guys remember on my Hobby Lobby haul, I got that little Wi-Fi. It says, "Welcome to our home. Our Wi-Fi password is," and then you put in the Wi-Fi password, where all of our dry erase markers were like dead. I found like 10 of them and none of them worked. So I stopped at the dollar store and grabbed a pack. And while I was there, I found this. Look how freaking cute this is. Laundry, self-service, open 24 hours. Is this not adorable? Guess how much I paid for this? Look. $4. Are you kidding me? This was $4. This is wood. This is super cute. So I got that. Then I got this. Look at this. Laundry Rules. Guide to Procedures. 1, sort today. 2, wash later. 3, fold eventually. Repeat. Open 24 hours. Is that not adorable? I tore the price tag off of it, but this is like $5. That was it. $5. How flippin' adorable, right? Okay, you guys. That is it. That's everything that I have in my Walmart / Dollar General haul. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, hit that red subscribe button below. You're the first ones to know every time I post a new video. And you guys, that is it. I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're staying healthy. Know that I love you, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye.
Yeah.